In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Plaid in budgeting apps. We'll follow a clear, step-by-step integration so you can securely connect bank accounts, pull the right data, and turn it into helpful budgets and insights. We'll start with the overall flow of integrating Plaid. Think of this as a guided path. Set up your developer account, configure a secure backend, add the Plaid link experience on the front end, fetch balances and transactions for budgeting, and wrap it all up with strong security and compliance. First, create a Plaid developer account. Go to the Plaid dashboard signup page at dashboard.plaid.com/signup and register. Begin in the sandbox environment so you can simulate banks and test safely without real money movement. As you progress, you can move to development and then production. Your dashboard will provide client credentials you'll use from your server. Treat these like secrets, keep them off the client and out of version control. Next, set up your backend server. Plaid requires a secure backend to handle API keys safely, generate link tokens for the client, and exchange temporary public tokens for long-lived access tokens. That exchange is critical. After a user links their bank via Plaid link, your backend takes the public token and swaps it for an access token that's used to make API calls. Build endpoints that perform this exchange and later fetch balances or transactions on behalf of the authenticated user. Now integrate the Plaid link frontend. Plaid link is the user interface that lets people securely log into their bank. Your frontend requests a link token from your server, initializes link with it, and opens the flow. After the user selects their institution and approves access, Plaid returns a public token to the client, which you immediately send to your backend for the exchange we just discussed. With an access token stored, you can fetch and use financial data. For account snapshots, call the account's endpoint, such as account/get, to retrieve balances. For budgeting, pull transactions and categorize expenses using the category data Plaid provides. That categorization powers spending breakdowns, budget envelopes, and alerts. Make sure to handle date ranges and incremental syncs so your budgets stay accurate over time. Finally, ensure security and compliance. Store access tokens securely in an encrypted database and never log them. Limit who and what can access these credentials. Monitor access and remove data if a user revokes permission. Keeping secrets on the server, validating inputs, and using HTTPS across the stack will help protect user data end to end. Follow this flow and you'll have a secure, reliable Plaid integration that makes your budgeting app smarter and easier to use.